Today, I'll show you how to add a first name in your Klaviyo email. Personalizing emails can significantly enhance engagement with your audience, making them feel valued and recognized. In this quick and straightforward tutorial, you'll learn how to effortlessly incorporate a recipient's first name into your email drafts, ensuring your communication feels both personal and professional. To begin, open your email draft in Klaviyo. Once you have your draft ready, locate a text block where you want to insert the recipient's first name. Text blocks are essential components of your email, allowing you to customize the text according to your needs. They're versatile and easy to manipulate, providing the perfect spot for personalization. Now, place your cursor precisely where you want the recipient's first name to appear. This could be at the beginning of your email, following a friendly greeting such as hey or hello. For instance, if you want to greet your reader with a warm hey, place your cursor right after the greeting. This small step adds a personal touch, setting the tone for the rest of your communication. Next, you'll need to paste a specific piece of code that will dynamically insert the recipient's first name. The code you'll use is open curly brace, space, first underscore name, pipe, default, colon, single quotation mark there, single quotation mark, space, close curly brace, close curly brace. This code snippet is straightforward but powerful. It tells Klaviyo to insert the recipient's first name if it's available in your database. If for some reason the first name isn't available, it will default to the word there, ensuring your email maintains a friendly tone regardless of the data available. After pasting the code into your text block, remember to add any necessary punctuation that follows the greeting. For example, if you're using hey, make sure to include a comma or an exclamation point immediately after the curly braces. This attention to detail ensures your email reads naturally and professionally. By following these steps, you've successfully added a dynamic first name field to your Klaviyo email draft. This small but effective personalization can make a significant difference in how your emails are received and perceived by your audience. It's a simple way to acknowledge each recipient individually, enhancing the overall user experience. Remember, personalizing your emails doesn't just end with a first name. Consider using other dynamic fields and data that Klaviyo offers to further tailor your messages. Personalization helps build stronger connections with your audience and can lead to improved engagement rates. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to add a first name in Klaviyo emails. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy emailing!